Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome in this lesson. So in this lesson we will learn something about much. So we have 4 lists with variable office and input your office and change the data to lowercase. So much I will match office. So case Mason, and the Mason I will print Mason. And okay, copy this and 1, 2, 3. So if the case is Erbil, the Hook, Mosul, the another thing is Mosul, the print is Mosul. Delete the N. If it's Erbil, print Erbil. And the case is Dohuk, print Dohuk. And if no one case, so case underscore colon print not found. So I will use and or. So case M or N print 1. Case okay, nothing, just that. Now Python l.py a not found. So let's run again. Mohammed, okay, Erbil, print the data in Erbil. So what's match? Use match like if condition. So case like elif and case underscore colon like else. Not use or. This is used like or, and you can use and. How to use and? Case open practice open braces A B print okay. So that's and then I will say goodbye.